Hi everyone, I'm going to explain about boranes. This topic comprises the introduction part, boranes, diboranes, physical properties of boranes, types of boranes and their applications. Let me explain the introduction part. What are boranes? Boranes are the binary compounds of boron and hydrogen atoms. Boranes were first prepared by Alfred Stock between 1912 and 1936. The molecules of these compounds are electron deficient and so reactive with respect to electron donors. Many boranes are synthesized by the thermolysis of diborane, and all boranes are diamagnetic and colorless. Let us see the physical properties of boranes. The parent member BH3 is called borane, which is found only in the gaseous state and dimerizes to form diborane. General formula of borane is BXHY. Here X and Y represents integers. The most important boranes are diborane, pentaborane and decaborane. Boranes are colorless and diamagnetic, and some are pyrophoric, and all boranes are highly reactive also. The common reactions of boranes include electrophilic substitution reactions, nucleophilic substitution reactions, deprotonation by strong bases, clusters building reactions, etc. Let me explain the bonding and structure in diborane. See, the diborane is a typical example for borane, and this is the structure of diborane. Its formula is B2H6. In diborane, two types of bonds exist. The first one is a two-centered, two-electron BH bonds, and second type is three-centered, two-electron BHB bonds. Let me explain one by one. In the case of two-centered, two-electron BH bonds, each of these bonds are formed by sharing of two electrons between boron and terminal hydrogen atoms. It is a normal sigma covalent bond. So here in this molecule, you can see 4 BH terminal bonds. So these 4 bonds are two center, two electron bonds in which two atoms are being involved in each bond and two electrons are shared among the atoms. And second type of bond is three center, two electrons BHB bonds. Here, three atoms share two electrons among them. Each of these bonds is formed by sharing of two electrons between two boron atoms and one hydrogen atom. See, here you can see two BHB bonds, one at the top and one at the bottom. See, these two are BHB bonds, and these two bonds are otherwise called as banana bond. There are different types of boranes. The first one is closoborane. This is the typical structure of closoborane. Closoboranes have closed triangulated polyhedra structure. All corners of triangulated polyhedra are occupied, and general formula is BnHn+2. A typical example is given here. And second type of borane is nidoborane. Nidoboranes are formed when one corner of the polyhedra is removed. They possess nest-like non-closed structure, and their general formula is BnHn plus 4. Typical examples are B5H9 and B2H6. And the third type of borane is arachnoboranes. These boranes are formed when two corners of the polyhedra are removed. And this is a typical example. They possess web-like non-closed polyhedra structure. Their general formula is BnHn plus 6. Fourth type of borane is hypoboranes. They possess net-like structure, and their general formula is BnHn plus 8. These boranes are having complex structures. And the last one, the sixth one, it is conjunctivoboranes. Their general formula is BnHm. Typical examples are given here. Let me conclude this topic. Boranes are colorless and gaseous compounds at room temperature. They are highly reactive and reacts violently with water. In boranes, 3 center 2 electron bonds are present. It is unique type of bond present in boranes only. Thank you.